also press the button too.
When you join, it just said don't press the
Oh
button.
yeah, because every game is like that. It's so press the button too. Score me! What?
80 scored it.
You! Come here!
Oh, is that a sword?
I like singing.
It's like a
I like dancing.
I
like trains.
Bombs are falling away from the sky. Push them. Oh,
How am I dead? I died from the train.
what train?
Like, I pushed a button and a train came or something, and then I died from the train, but now I'm dead from this
Oh.
Ooh.
I wish there was a magic carpet in the game.
I mean, in the original, there's a magic carpet.
Oh, wait, what's the original?
I almost jumped out of the box. My head is popping through. I could stand on other days, and then I would
Do.
Oh, everybody needs their colors.
Except
Good.
for that person.
Oh, well, they didn't get to the box.
Maybe they're AFK. Play. Stop.
Okay, get your jump share out. 'Cause I see how that one
Hey, guess what? My screen is different from y'all's. It's like this. I can actually... This is my screen. Yo, this is sick.
Yo, that's it. I feel bad for the people who have lost their lives in this game. Oh!
We survived. We survived. We survived.
Okay, it's this new guy. I hate him.
He's very annoying.
Get ready to
I'm
wax.
so bad
I
at
thought it
this.
I thought it was gonna say get ready to wax some noses.
It's romance.
Honestly, I would be really happy if I was whacking my nose right now. How do I have 0? I whacked that one, I swear.
I have bone thought. I'm so bad at this one. I'm gonna
Everybody's
lose.
bad at this one. Even our mom is.
Why would she be playing these games?
Because she's a girl.
I played these games before.
I hope our mom is.
We are not. Oh. Well,
I guess she hears us right now.
she's literally like diagonal across from me.
Oh yeah, she's very scared.
Oh no, I got 13.
I only got 4.
What the heck? I got 15.
I got the lead from the entire server.
Oh. What did
Oh, I
you?
hate this one.
It's so easy.
If
You
I were
should.
you, I'd use the speed coil instead of the.
I guess you're right.
Because you can get the.
I always lose at this one.
No, you always win at this one.
You sure about that? I only have 5.
I already have 7.
Ugh! See, I'm losing.
You have more than me.
And what do you have?
10.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm totes gonna lose.
Stop the cat.
See? You're right next to me.
Oh, I did win.
Oh, no. Don't trust me.
I trust you. And.
Why is it still going? Everyone. Ah. What? What the?
How did bro do it so fast?
It's a girl!
Bro, girl, same thing. No, you always survive at this on the
See, I died.
I didn't yet. I survived! Wait, were we the only two to escape?
I don't know. I think this. What's this?
Oh,
We're on the same team.
okay, get your speed coils out.
It's not like boom, 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 boom.
The walls are always the best place to start. Get
And
out
come with
here.
the other blue team stuff.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now. This blue girl thinks she's better than us. Stop.
So the best thing to do is cover theirs.
If they do something,
I think we're winning.
yeah, I'm pretty sure we are. Too much blue. Nope, sir. Me and this guy are just going.
Y'all are just battling it out. I think we won. Yeah, we won. Did eat.
I'm like, okay, what are we supposed to do? And then I realized, oh, it's a tsunami.
Made it to the top, never gonna drop. Made it to the top, never gonna drop.
I made it to the top too.
La di da di da, la di da di da. Made it to the top, never gonna. Uh-oh, I'm at the bottom.
I'm pretty sure if the tsunami in real life, it would have taken out the entire building.
Uh-oh, I'm so bad at this one.
I'm using my invisibility one.
How would that help? Just
She
jump.
shot me.
See, just jump around like this.
Oh, because then somebody will shoot, but like, you'll jump over it. Honestly, I'd do that with a jump coil.
No. Uh-oh, these two people are aiming for me.
Good luck. I already died. Why am I saying that?
It's me and this girl.
She's the goat.
I just saw it.
She's the one who shot me.
Drama sister.
She's a sister.
She's my sister. If Adam and Eve were the first people on Earth, this is well, family.
Oh!
Come to my place.
Come to my no, bro.
Bro, I already fell off the cube. I was just running around.
Try and get out. You're so.
I can't get out.
You're so.
Look for something I could stand on.
Maybe another human. The best thing to do is just jump in one place.
I wouldn't do that if I. Oh.
See? It works. Oh, God, I'm in 5. Yeah, I did. Those jump in one place. Almost died.
Oh, my girl. Okay, Psycho Dog. If whoever named themselves Psycho Dog must be a psychopath themselves. I found the button.
Yeah!
I found it before you. You just clicked it. But the thing is, I couldn't click it.
Because you had your jump coil. Oh, always has.
Follow the left wall.
That's not gonna work. I never find a diamond.
Following the left wall always works.
What?
Girl, you've already found the diamond.
No, I didn't. Why you lie?
Why you always gapping? My sister always gapping.
Hey.
Oh. Told you would have found it.
Get ready for a snowball fight.
I hate this one.
Then become invisible.
Ah. Now nobody can see me. Can you see me?
Yes.
No! Oh, somebody saw me.
Let's fight to the death. Fight to
I'm
the
just
death.
invisible running around the map.
Fight to the death. Fight.
Psycho dog, you're my main target. Nah, he's both of our main. Nah, bro decided to run.
He's like, oh, someone just.
Oh, I'm in yellow right now.
Me too.
And I just
Here running, here track stop.
I'm getting my speed coil and I'm running and then I'm
I'm
shooting.
getting my jump coil.
I jumped over some walls.
Hey, yo. Who's?
No, like snowballs.
Hey.
No, the ones we made out of snow.
Wait, what? Oh. God, I didn't even know what was happening.
Oh! I almost died! Oh, and I almost ran off the map.
Come on. Well, go to the edge.
Oh yeah, because nothing
We are
else.
not horses. We are humans. And humans are.
Real. Oh no!
Why am I even laughing? I should be crying.
Oh, it's a tornado! Oh. It's gone.
BB. Be. Saya. I never found a level like actually.
Stop the game!
Yeah, I never found a level actually. See?
Oh,
I've only found
oh
a level
man,
once.
opened the lever.
Oh no, I almost fell. It was me for a second.
I'm like, oh man, opened the lever.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh, where's my speed quiz?
Let me open the chest, people.
Wow.
Wait, isn't it hilarious? We opened the chest at the exact same time.
Oh.
Yeah. Why my speed coil not working?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, seriously, I hate being a zombie.
Wait, you're a zombie?
Nope.
No, you're a zombie. I can see your green skin. I never got the hang of this one. I don't know why we're just running on top of buildings. Because after you get here, there's nowhere to go. It is just a no! I infected this one.
Hey, the zombies win! Hey, the zombies win! Oh, no, I don't like this one. I don't like this one at
I
all.
hate this one, but there's a single.
Yeah, but you can't go to it. I died. Survive. See, you'll die before you get to it.
Yeah, true.
Y'all do the favor for us and try getting there.
You need like a magic carpet or something.
But this shopping got on.
This game got no magic carpet.
Drama
The
sister.
match
Oh,
with
man.
old man won.
It's a drama sister. Hey, sisters.
Hey sisters, my name is Skylar Whiteyell. Bam. My husband is Walter Whiteyell. Bam. My mommy is. My sister is.
Psycho dog. Why I say my sister is psycho dog? Happy. My sister is psycho dog.
That one girl somehow survived. She levitated. So if we steal more.
Potion.
Okay, skeleton, let me kill you. I'm tapping so hard. I'm tapping so much.
Why is the witch?
Yeah.
Girl, you should be doing me outside.
Oh yeah, just make a potion to kill them all. Like if I ruin the flow of the game. It wouldn't make it any fun to watch it and make a potion.
And we can maybe go for customers.
I'm gonna be sad.
My sister is Psycho.
Psycho Dog's a boy!
When I say Psycho Dog, press the button. And so we're like... Oh! I think it's gonna be a jump potion. Jump, I believe. Hey.
Oh, we already got jump coil.
And we already got speed coil, so we can jump even higher. So this is how we jump. And with the jump coil, our jump is so big.
My jump is so high. Oh no!
Oh no! I just jumped to the top. I can never finish that. No.
Taps. Whee! Oh, the jump coil? I just jumped 2 islands at once.
I don't think we should do that. The silence was so loud.
The silence was loud. As loud as can be.
Ba-dee-dee-ba-dee-doo.
2 eyes,
Ba-dee-dee.
1 nose, and a smile just like me. The world is sad as me.
I cannot lose my jump potion. Wait.
I died and I lost the potion.
No. I think I lost.
Guys, every time you complete the speedrun, you get 10 points. So completing it twice or 3 times gets you.
Nobody completed it 3
I
times.
mean, unless you have the jump potion combined with the jump coil, then.
No, I don't think that's possible. I got so slow. Oh no, Baldy.
Baldy! No.
With ugly Baldy.
Behind
Slap,
you.
slap, slap.
Bro.
Hey, he did. Hey, Baldy did. Hey. So, anyways, y'all, I hope you had.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
No, let's just do this one. This jump potion is making it harder.
How? It makes it way easier.
No, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, I lost mine, so why am I even talking?
Hey. So, anyways, y'all, now that's it for today. I hope you had a fun time.
Bye!
Bye!